it was a scrappy game, you know, conditions didn't help, and you know, there was a lot on tonight's game. You know, if Met had won tonight, then you know there's a big gap between us and them for 7th place, so we knew we couldn't lose tonight's game. Would have been happy with the draw before the game. You know, we set ourselves out quite defensively, but at the same time we know we've got threat going forward, and the lads showed that in the second half.
A'r methiant na I gymryd cyfleoedd yn enwedig yn yr hanner cyntaf nath gostio chi hynna felly?
Yn union, na pam mae strikers sy'n ennill fwy o'r arian, achos i roi'r bel yn roi'r peth anodd am pêl droed yw e. Ac pan mae cyfleoedd mor dda na i wneud hynny, mae rhaid cymryd y cyfleoedd, achos maen nhw'n mynd i ddod lan, a maen nhw'n tîm dda hefyd. Mae Tony a Wagi yn hyfforddi nhw yn arbennig o dda, ac maen nhw'n mynd i brifo chi, a dyna beth sydd wedi digwydd heno.
Hwlffordd wedi ennill heno wrth gwrs yn erbyn chi, Llansawel wedi ennill hefyd, felly dim ond pwynt sy'n rhwng y tri ohonych chi yn yr ras na am y 7th safle. Mae yna dipyn o ffordd i fynd wrth gwrs, ond sut ydych chi'n gweld y ras yna'n mynd?
Sa'n edrych ar y ras o gwbl. Beth ni gorfod ffocysu arno yw beth ni'n gwneud yn y sesiwn nesaf. Gwybodaeth cywir nawr ar gyfer y sesiwn. A byw yn y moment, mae'r canlyniadau, mae'r ras yn cymryd siap ei hunain. Unwaith chi'n dechrau pryderu am pethau sy'n tu hwnt i'ch gafel chi am beth mae pobl eraill yn gwneud, dyna pryd mae'n effeithio eich perfformiad, a mae'r perfformiad yw'r peth mwyaf pwysig nawr.
The context of this result, of course, is that you've closed the gap on Cardiff Met to a point in that race for the 7th spot. That's the aim, of course, isn't it, to finish 7th and get that European playoff place?
Yeah, but there's 5 of us, I would say, that are all fighting for that 7th place, and I think it's going to go all the way to mid-April, because it's so tight between 7th and 11th place, and you know, one defeat and the table looks totally different. Unless you get a full run of 3, 4, 5 wins, the table's not going to change all phase really. So yeah, it's great to get a clean sheet away from home, and to pick up 3 points is huge for us at the moment.